the tropical islands of the Philippines. I am Attorney Sheena A. Alesna, the Executive Director of G-WAVE, or Gender Watch Against Violence and Exploitation. And with me is...
I'm Letty Dayaw, the social worker of G-WAVE, and at the same time the coordinator of the Survivors Program.
G-WAVE had a long identified need for a counseling room to hold the individual and group counseling sessions for our young and adult survivors of gender-based violence, and also an education room for our survivor scholars to study, research, and a safe place for them to simply rest and relax while waiting for the next subjects. These needs seemed like a dream for us because we do not have funds to support it until Hawak Kamay came and made this dream possible. Right, Ines?
Yes, very much.
With that, in behalf of G-WAVE, I would like to express our heartfelt gratitude for addressing the important needs of our survivors. We hope that this will only be the beginning of a fruitful partnership with you, especially in our efforts to assist survivors of gender-based violence in their healing and recovery towards empowerment, so that they will be able to rise above the oppressing power that had, for a time, disempowered them. To all of you who are part of the Hawak Kamay in Bergen, Norway, thank you so much for your generosity and support to this life-changing cause.
Hi, I'm Yelania Montes, the current president of GTAS, or G-WAVE Teen Advocates. I'm Gigi Manresa, member of Empowered Women Advocates of G-WAVE, or EWA. On behalf of GTAS and EWA, we are very much thankful for the blessings that you shared to us for us to be able to use the counseling we have. In behalf of EWAG, we would like, and GTAS, we would like to thank you for the support that we have given with the organization